Senator JV Ejercito. Would you like to have an opening statement?
Yes,
Senator?
Mr. Chair. Good morning, everybody. Anyway, Mr. Chair, I already have a copy of the explanation of both Ms. Brenda Disagun and Luian Arm Tenero, no, the brokers that were also here during the last hearing. But it seems that in their explanation, there's still a lot of inconsistencies, and I don't think this are accurate, Mr. Chair. So I'm sorry. It's a difficult, but I move, Mr. Chair, to cite them in contempt because I don't think they are very truthful in their explanation of why they should not be cited in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator JV. May huling gusto pa ba ninyong ipaliwanag apart from yung nabigay ninyo sa inyong show cause letter, Ginoong Louie Jean?
Good morning po, Mr. Chair. Good morning po.
So hindi mo talaga kilala yung apelyido ni Mr. Carlos?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Yun lang po talaga ang pakilala niya sa akin po. And the same time po, siya ang sabi niya po, authorized representative po siya ng 1024 po.
Mr. Chair, parang mahirap naman na paniwalaan na matagal na kayong nagtatransaksyon at malalaking amount, Mr. Chair. Hindi naman to ilang daang piso lang eh. Tapos hindi nyo kilala yung pagkatao, magtitiwala kayo. Paano kami maniniwala? Yun sana, pinagbibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na ating chairman na ipaliwanag, na convince kami na hindi ka nagsisinungaling. Sige, bibigyan ko namin ng pagkakataon.
Mr. Chair, yun lang po talaga ang pakilala niya po sa akin. Then the same time po, Mr. Chair, doon po sa nagsabing pagtitiwala po. Kasi po, Mr. Chair, hindi naman po kami magtitiwala po doon sa kausap namin or sa authorized representative po ng consignee po. Kasi, Mr. Chair, sila po may hawak po sila ng copy ng BL. Since po, Mr. Chair, pag may hawak ka po copy ng BL po, consignee tsaka authorized representative niya lang po yung authorized na may hawak po nun. Then the same time po, nung nag-lodge po ko, exercising po yung diligence ko po, humingi po ako ng copy ng COR niya po, yung certificate of registration niya po, then yung 2303 niya po. Kasi po, doon po sa dalawang docs na yun po, doon po namin sinecheck po yung TIN number niya po, kung co-aside po doon sa COR tsaka sa 2303 po.
Mr. Tenero, very particular ka doon sa mga dokumento pero yung apelyido hindi mo alam.
Actually, Mr. Chair, yun lang po talaga pakilala niya kasi siya po ang authorized, ang pagkakaintindi ko po, siya po talaga yung authorized representative kasi siya po may hawak po nun.
So magtitiwala ka kahit na ang pangalan Pedro, Jose, Juan, Maria.
Kasi po, Mr. Chair, sa kalakaran naman po namin sa port po, hindi naman po namin inaano yung personal na details po ng as long po yung documents po na na ibibigay po nila is accurate po, and then the same time po yun po nagtiwala din po ako kasi sabi niya po siya nga po yung authorized representative po nung 1024 po.
All we are asking for is Mr. Carlos' last name and you refuse to answer.
Mr.
And therefore, because of your refusal to answer, and there is a motion to cite you in contempt, you are hereby cited in contempt of this committee. May we request if the Sergeant at Arms can make if there is available a detention place here in the Senate, he will be detained here. If there is none available, we will have him detained in the Pasay City Jail. So ordered.